Thank you for inviting me in this conference. I'm Nicola Lore. I come from Ospedale San Raffaele, and I work in the cystic fibrosis unit. I work on chronic respiratory disease, in particular those mediated by Pseudomonas aeruginosa infection, and this meeting was really an amazing event, in particular because I could learn a lot about unmet clinical need, and in particular I work on basic research, and this meeting gave me the opportunity to learn much more about clinician needs, and the meeting was really grateful. I would like to thank the organizing committee. The place was amazing, and in terms of scientific exchange, I think that was really useful also for young people, young researcher like me, and I hope to enjoy also this meeting in the future.